everybody on this earth has something special to give. Everybody has a gift. And I feel like when you don't give the world your gifts, you're cheating us. So when we're all walking in our gifts and we're giving the world what it deserves and what we deserve, because we deserve the joy behind our gift and our passions, like you deserve to live your optimal life. A part of living your optimal life is walking in your journey, your dream, not looking at what's on the side of you. That they don't matter.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Margaret. So we are actually testing out the DJI Osmosis, the third version. So far, y'all, I love this thing so much. Like the stability the stabilization, I love it so far. The reason why we're at Target and supposed to be on the way to church is because my husband had a more wardrobe sort of kind of malfunction. And you know what, I wouldn't even call it malfunction. He just don't like that shirt on him. He want another one because today's our pastor's 14th anniversary, and so we're all supposed to be wearing shades of blue. And so I got on my blue yeah, I got on my blue, so cute. And you know, I didn't do too much to my hair, just kind of like curled it back a little bit.
He's either prayed for you, counseled you, taught you, delivered a word to you.
3 days later.
So this is year 2 of the DJ battle. Well, it's not year 2, but it's my year 2. I don't know if y'all remember, but last year, you can go back on my page, I actually posted it. Husband is one of the judges today again. I'm excited. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but yeah, I'm excited, and we gonna see what they talking about. Okay, we gonna see what they talking about. Since we have one of our favorite DJs gonna be on there, and I'm just really excited, you know. But y'all, it was raining, so I know my hair don't fail. What? But yeah.
Okay, bet. You ready, babe?
They want you to sit.
I need to be in my seat.
I'm trying to look for Justin.
I was about to say, are they assigned?
They have.
I don't know.
A couple of judges are already over there.
Okay. Is it a certain?
How y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? Y'all doing good? Yes, sir. This is T.O. Ooh, little feedback. Back up. I think cool. Is this better? All right, cool. So this is T.O. Fest 3. Not 3.
Hey, boo.
But I just want to say thank y'all for everybody who's up here tonight. It's going to be an amazing night. We have some amazing judges.
Have a good night. Y'all be safe, all right? Love, man. Good seeing you again.
How did you feel?
Feels great.
Was this better than last year?
Man, it's hard. They both was amazing.
Yeah.
The DJs did a great job.
They really did.
Screen, that was crazy.
Yes, that was dope.
New element, right?
It did.
Nah, it was fun. It was fun.
Oh wait, you parked real close. I don't know why I thought you parked far. But yeah, y'all. So that ends the night. We're gonna go get tacos. Y'all, can you believe it? I am like
a taco girl.
I want tacos like almost every day. I sure did, y'all. Every day. I used to be like, you want tacos? And now look at it.
Always ask for tacos.
Now all I want is tacos. Well, really, I want a quesadilla. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The one taco spot that we go to, I ain't gonna share it with y'all because it is just too good. And I want y'all to make it busy. So that's what we finna get tonight. looking for a spot to shoot this campaign. Really, I created the campaign, to be honest. Well, no, not really. I didn't create it. I'm tripping. No, I'm not talking about you. Like, I'm talking about creating this, making this into a campaign. Boy, I know. I'm gonna give you your credit. Like, yeah, he just want credit stuff.
No, I thought you was like saying, like, really, I just created it myself.
No. What I was trying to say was, so Puma actually, it is dark over here.
It's like
with the sunlight, y'all. The daylight savings is aggravating. But anyways, Puma sent me some sneakers, and for the free, you know. And I'm so grateful. Like, I'm so grateful. Okay. And I'm like, you know, let me go ahead and make some content out of it. Like, create something out of it, you know. So hopefully they can see me, you know, get your girl on for the next paid campaign. So that's what we're doing right now. My husband helped me so much with this campaign. He actually did end up styling me for this campaign as well. You know, I'd be letting him do a little something. But I'm so excited because it's cute. The outfit came out really cute, you know what I'm saying? And I gave him the idea, and then he spruced it up, you know? That's why we are a team. Because I did say, okay, initially I was like, I should do all gray and then do the sneakers, because the sneakers are peach. And he was like, no, since you want to do a skirt. So that's how it came about, you know. And then I, like, you know, added my little, you know, 1 2 1 2 in there. And then he also helped me, like, kind of map out what we wanted to do in the reel, because I kind of wanted to have, like, some type of storyline, guideline, something like that. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. So we're just trying to find sunlight, so that we can hurry up and shoot it, because y'all know, baby, it's 4:39. It get dark early. I do not like that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So thank you, Puma, for definitely sending me those shoes. I freaking love them. They're so comfortable. I've been wearing them for the last 2 hours now. They're very comfy. Can't wait for y'all to see the full fit. We will actually be filming. Oh, this is a good area. So we'll actually be filming on my DJI. Don't know, I did end up, y'all, let me say, closed mouth don't get fed, okay? I reached out to them and they didn't even say anything to me. Next thing you know, I checked the mail and there it was. So I'm filming on my DJI Osmosis Pocket 3, the new one that just came out. Everyone's raving about it. It is what they say it is. I love it so much. But Bae will be filming off of that for the campaign. Definitely head to my Instagram so that you can see the finished video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it ends. Yeah, parking there. Free parking, as we like to see that. Yeah, Houston always trying to charge for parking.
You think Houston bad?
Oh, I know.
Chicago.
New York is bad. Yeah, no. Yeah, this is, this isn't quite the area I thought we would be, but at this point, y'all,
it's the only thing that has
sunlight right now, and we just gonna have to go.
Because even if we went downtown, it'd be worse, babe.
I know.
Because the buildings are
so tall.
Yeah,
you're right.
We would have no sunlight.
You're right. We wouldn't. Yeah, absolutely right. All right. We're gonna have to place the camera at a good spot for when you pull up on me, right? At the end, for the end shot, to get my feet going in the car. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to take everything now.
So let's record your face first.
Yeah, I agree. There we go. I'm gonna take my purse with me. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to hold it, Pookie. Because there's no way down there There's no way. Oh, there is a way right here. All right, y'all. So where will you be? So you want me to tell me how you want me to be? He's my director, y'all.
You want to be right here?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the stand?
Oh, right here. I'm so excited.
The first thing I'm going to do
Mm-hmm.
is record this way, and then I'm going to record this way.
Okay. Alright. Here, you want to hold this real quick? Recording.
Oh, you already recording? You're not going to flip?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
That was just for me, my vlog.
Hi, vlog. I haven't worn a hat in so long, it feels crazy.
And by the way, I have shorts underneath here.
I know.
It's okay. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're gonna put y'all down so Bae can get the shot. I have the best husband in the whole wide world. Thank you, Pookie. Alright, y'all. We are done. Let's pray, that it looks good. Because, we can see it from the phone. I mean, we could see it at a quick glance, but you don't really know until it's time to edit. Look at him being such a gentleman. I know that's right. If he ain't open the doors for you, what are you doing? Do you remember when the weekend we first got together? The weekend we've met, the first weekend that we met ever, y'all, I recorded every single time he opened the door for me. It was the cutest thing ever. He was definitely a gentleman, and he definitely kept that same energy. Through and through, ain't that right, Bookie? Through and through, right?
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, that's a wrap, y'all. These shoes, y'all, the comfortness in these shoes is out of this world. Like,
is comfortness a word?
I don't know. Is
Yeah,
comfortness
I don't
a word?
think that's a word.
So
the comfortness.
I done created my own word. At this point, give me my own dictionary. What are you getting in here, baby? What are you trying to get? T-Mobile?
Nope.
What?
I was just pointing. Did you ever think that Mattress Firm was like a front for drugs?
Baby.
There's so many mattress firms, but like, who's buying that many mattresses?
I ain't never thought that. You going to Guitar Center?
Yep.
He's going to Guitar Center while I wait for him.
Is today Wednesday? Oh no.
No, today's
Dang.
What's Wednesday? Oh, the sushi. Y'all, okay, so I got something on my mind. Okay. So, I've been waiting to hear back from the Sephora Squad, which this is like my 5th year of playing. Am I gonna stop? I keep asking myself, am I really gonna stop? No, I'm not gonna stop until I get it. So I haven't heard anything back, and so far I do know in November was the month where they kind of tell everyone who's made on the finalist round. Is it the finalist? Yeah, because the finalist, then it drops down to who actually make it. So, but I haven't heard anything back, and so I'm like, you know what, God? I was like constantly like thinking about it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just continue to leave this in your hands until you say it is for me, okay? Because what's for me is for me. And so, but yeah, I haven't heard anything back, so I'm like, okay, God, but I feel like more people should talk about like what they be feeling when you pray about something, you don't get it, in like that transition period, because I feel like there's a lot of stuff in life that we ask God for, and it's like sometimes he give it to us and sometimes he don't, but it may not be at the right time. So having to also make sure that I'm reminded of his word when he tells me like that doesn't define me, this thing that I'm trying to get doesn't define who I am. And so yeah, I wish more people would actually talk about that, but yeah, I haven't heard anything back yet. So when I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. And I don't know if I'm gonna cry or not, like if I don't get it. Because I feel like this is my 5th time trying. And like, you know, like when you try something for so many times, you're like, okay, we're gonna see if we get it. If we don't, you know, but we're gonna see how I feel, child. Yeah, we gonna see. I feel like I cried. I remember the first 2 times I applied, I cried. Like, dang, like, why I didn't get it. And so, I think I'll be alright. I think I'll just be like, alright, God, you got something else planned for me. Like, period. Are we headed home?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So, we are headed home. I love y'all. Make sure y'all call me back.